Helping high school students navigate and succeed in concurrent enrollment courses can be as simple as a meaningful conversation with a mentor, school staff, or college access advocate. The K-20 Center has curated a collection of guides to facilitate discussions and activities tailored to support students throughout their dual enrollment journey. The Concurrent Enrollment Tool Kit covers 18 critical topics such as study strategies, stress management, and communicating with professors. These research-backed topics are presented in a sequential order over a semester, but can easily be adjusted to meet the needs of your student. Each topic is associated with a designated week. These are merely suggestions to help a mentor or college advocate consider the most appropriate topic discussions. For example, if a student is enrolled in an 8-week course, some facilitated guides may need to be combined or skipped depending on each student's need. Let's explore Week 4's guide, Communicating with Your Professor. This resource equips mentors with everything they need to facilitate an impactful 10 to 20-minute conversation. Week 4 zeroes in on effective communication with professors, a skill essential for academic success. The guide provides facilitators with a summary, discussion objectives, a list of materials, attached facilitator resource notes, and learner resources available in English and Spanish. The facilitator is also equipped with guiding notes, structured conversation starters, sample questions, and practical tips or next steps to help students build confidence in reaching out to their professors. From crafting professional emails to preparing for office hours, these tools help students develop communication skills they'll use far beyond the classroom. Visit the K-20 Center's Learn site to explore the full collection of discussion guides. Together, we can empower students to thrive in their concurrent courses.